Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing off my third attempt at a boxed pouch. Let's get into it. If you haven't already watched attempt number 1, failure number 2, I'll have those linked down below. And drum roll please, let me show you number 3. I am very proud of this. It turned out how I wanted attempt 2 to turn out. I made sure, so the 2 issues that I had, and I even messed up while I was making this, I'll put the progress photos on the screen here, but I even screwed this up. I had a seam rip. The reason this came so messed up is, one, I started with squares that were much too tiny, so I was trying to replicate this pouch, which we made with scraps, but I didn't do it precisely, and so this was supposed to be like the do it better project. And so these squares, I thought I should start with 2-inch squares, so that's why I started with these. These had to have been 3-inch squares because I did 3-inch squares and we have the same size, so 3 inches. And I also can't count because it's 8 around, not 7, and that's why my columns didn't work. But this time I did just individual blocks. That way it wasn't so wonky when I put them all together. And then I also did the handles a little more slender. I wish I wouldn't have made them quite so long. They're still too long, but they're better. And I didn't put any batting in them. I do like how it's just like a simple little pouch and it's very small, so that's nice. But I do wish I had a little more structure, so I should have put some batting in it. And then the inside is just solid. But I'm very proud of how this turned out. I feel like I redeemed myself. I also made sure that going around the pouch, each row has each pattern one time. They're all mixed around how they are put in place, but no row has duplicates. And I especially made sure along the front here that when these guys touched, they would not match. It would be a pattern. Now on the sides here, I messed up because I had to seam rip. So there is a duplicate on this side, but there's not a duplicate, or there's a duplicate on that side. So I messed up on the sides because I totally messed up that part of the bag, but this turned out much better. I want to do this again in I don't know, a 7-inch square or like a 10-inch square. So it's like a bag. What do you think? How big of a square should I do next? And should I redo the 2-inch to make like a proper pencil pouch where, you know, the end isn't busting out and it's much better? So bigger squares, 8 around, and then the boxes have to go on the sides, not on the bottom and the top. So those are the fixes that I made. I hope I redeemed myself. I hope you enjoyed watching my failure and struggling along with me. Let me know what you guys want to see, which size you want to see next in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.